got my greetings the other day, and I started to run the other way. That would be wrong, even you'll agree. But here's what Uncle Sam had to say to me. Bring enough clothes for 3 days. Bring enough clothes for 3 days. Bring enough clothes for 3 days. 'Cause we ain't gonna turn you loose. Bring enough clothes for 3 days. 50 a month is all it pays. Bring enough clothes for 3 days. And don't you bring no sad excuse. You got to realize you a soldier now. If you don't realize you a soldier anyhow, that G.I. jive is up to you. Brother, there's nothing that you can do but bring enough clothes for 3 days. And you've got a chance to get a raise. But bring enough clothes for 3 days. 'Cause we ain't gonna turn you loose. Now they may take your brother, while your sister and your mother, your uncle, nieces and cousins, 'cause Jack, they're snatching them by the dozens. Bring enough clothes for 3 days. Bring enough drapes for 3 days. Bring enough changes for 3 days. 'Cause we ain't gonna time you.